The integration with Avalara allows you to access up-to-date information on changing tax laws for different states, cities, or counties. It then allows you to automate the tax calculations applied to invoice items in VISP, depending on the nature, the type, and the coverage of your business or services. And this, in turn, allows you to easily collect and speed up your remittance process and manage exemption certificates. Overall, this allows you to streamline your process, which can save you more time and money and reduce the risk of errors when you prepare, file, and remit your tax returns. To activate Avalara, go to the menu. On the General tab, go to Extensions, and click on the Avalara menu item. Put a check on Enable Avalara Integration to activate the feature. You may initially set your instance to Sandbox while you're setting up or testing Avalara. Coordinate with your Avalara account representative on your trial period and when you should set your instance to live. Reach out to your Avalara representative as well for all the necessary information for the fields listed below. The details are customized depending on your business and services. You may schedule a time between Avalara and your VISP onboarding team for the configuration of the settings here. Save your work when you are done. Once you have activated Avalara, proceed to your package list by going to the menu, then clicking on the Billing tab, and then Packages. Edit the package and go to the Tax section. Now toggle Avalara Tax from the available tax options. In the Avalara settings, select the transaction type, the service type, and the discount type for the service. Hit Apply when you're done, and then click and Save. Take note that the transaction, the service, and the discount types are provided in the catalog for your account by your Avalara representative. Coordinate with your Avalara team if you want to know more information about the transaction, service, or discount types for your different packages. To configure Avalara for custom line items or charges in VISP, go to the menu, select the Billing tab, and then click on Items. Choose an item from your list. Go to the Tax tab and toggle Avalara Tax. Once again, coordinate with your Avalara team or account representative in order to have the correct settings when you populate the transaction, service, and discount types for the item. Save your work when done. To enable Avalara on a subscriber account, go to your subscribers list. Select a subscriber. Below the primary contact panel, click on the Avalara submenu or tab. And again, depending on your profile and configuration with Avalara, populate the necessary fields on this page to enable the use of Avalara on the subscriber's account. Here's an example of a standard configuration for a residential subscriber, with no specific exemptions on the account. Once you're done editing the information, save your work. To review or edit the Avalara tax applied on an invoice item, go to the existing invoice. Under the Fees column, click on the line item for the custom charge, service, or package you want to edit. Make sure that Avalara Tax is selected in the tax settings, and set the transaction and service types and all other information for the fee right on this pop-up. You may click on the tax charge link to open a pop-up containing the breakdown of the taxes applied to the item. Save your work when done. For more information about this and all other features in VISP, reach out to your VISP Client Success team today.